Jamaica's senior men's and women's hockey teams are expressing confidence of making progress at the Central American and the Caribbean CAC Games qualifiers, which start on Wednesday in Hamilton, Bermuda. The teams departed the island today. Jermaine Brown reports.
Jamaica's men's and women's senior hockey teams only returned to training in January of this year after the government granted approval for the opening of the Mona hockey field on December 30 for national team training. But this has not dampened the spirit and ambition of the teams as they look forward to the Central American and Caribbean Games CAC qualifiers in Bermuda starting on Wednesday. The women's team will be captained by Sawana Gordon, and she says despite only 3 months of preparation, the team is prepared for the task at hand.
In preparing for the tournament, it has been very wonderful. We have been doing our strength and conditioning training. Also, we have done our tactical and technical work because hockey is a very technical sport. So we have been working very hard in preparing for this competition.
The women's team also includes newcomers, teenagers, Kristen Watson and Angenique Williams. Both say they are ready for the new challenge at the senior level.
Very excited, waiting to get the experience from it, going to do my best.
I'm actually nervous traveling with the senior team, moving from the junior team and actually traveling with the senior team. It means a lot. It means a dream come true and I am really looking forward for the next level.
Meanwhile, although expecting a tough tournament, veteran men's player George McGlashan, who has been playing for the national team for 20 years, is still fancying their chances of advancing.
It's going to be a stiff, really stiff because, our players is very young. Yeah, with the experience, is going to have to bring them up, and to show them the ropes. Yeah, we have a good chance here.
And former national junior captain Christopher Reed believes the country's best set of players have been called up to get the job done in Bermuda.
So once you play in a game, there would always be pressure, right? Because we have to qualify for this tournament. However, I am confident that we will win this tournament. We have done simulations, we have done training, excess training, and I believe that we have the best set of nationals on the island representing the country. So I have no doubt that we will win this tournament.
The men's competition will feature 3 teams, with Jamaica joined by hosts Bermuda as well as Puerto Rico. In what will be a round-robin format, Jamaica will first battle Puerto Rico on Thursday before facing hosts Bermuda. Bermuda and Puerto Rico will meet in the opening match on Wednesday. The teams will play each other twice. Meanwhile, the women's competition, which begins on Thursday, will feature Jamaica, Bermuda, Puerto Rico and Guyana. The Jamaicans will first play Bermuda before taking on Puerto Rico and Guyana. Both teams are vying for the 2 remaining spots per agenda for the 2023 Central American and Caribbean Games CAC hockey tournament to be held in the Dominican Republic.
Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.